Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I will be sharing 3 projects using a die set from iCrafter called Apron Box Card, and this is designed by Laurie Whitlock, and I have all the pieces here that comes in the packaging. You can see here I have just like a sample package. They will come really nicely packaged when you get it. So here I have a standard A2 size card, and I know that I wanted to start off by creating a usual card just using the apron die. So I taped it in place and I left the cutting edge off my crease on the card base, if that makes sense. And that will hold my card panel together when I run it through my die cutting machine. You can also see my card, what is it called? It's called the platform base here, and it's the Pro deck with a magnet inside, and I just love it. I use it all the time, and you can see how nicely that just held everything together. And here you can see a bunch of tools that I cut out twice, once from silver metallic cardstock and once from this brownish gray colored cardstock. Maybe it's called craft colored cardstock. That maybe makes more sense. You can say I'm just cutting off the edges here, and I wanted some of the pieces for my tools here to have some metallic pieces, and this was super easy to do. It just took a little bit of time just to cut everything out, and I got a little bit lazy, so for this piece I just decided to color in the middle part here and call it a day. You can see here that I'm cutting it off, and then I will adhere it with some dimension to the other that I left in the same color. I hope this makes sense. I really like it. It was super easy to do, and it just gave it that a little bit of extra something. So here I will show you how the base could be assembled. I cut off the back piece of my box. You could leave that intact and have both of the aprons like facing each other, but I wanted my box to have a lower back than the front was. I hope that also makes sense. So I am adhering the pieces here, the tabs, to each other, just using some liquid glue. You can use strong double-sided adhesive if you like. And when that had dried a little bit, I will do the same thing for the other side. But for my inside section I wanted to have some dimension, so I'm just folding my tabs here, and then I will put liquid adhesive of all of these tags, and then flip everything over and close my box together, and that makes this super easy to just adhere everything together. And when this was done, I went ahead and decorated all of the outside parts. So this die set comes with the perfect sized dies for making the box look really beautiful. I believe my pattern paper is from Altenew, and I thought it matched my box really nicely. So I took one of the side pieces here and just put it the other way around to create a pocket on top of my apron. So here is that first card that we created, and I put some other type of pattern paper on top and created a pocket as well. And now comes the really fun part, when you can go ahead and decorate your boxes and place all your tools down into the sections here. And I wanted some tucked inside of my pocket on the front as well. So this was super easy. If you have flowers, I will show you one with flowers later. I think this will also be super cute, just to have a lot of flowers popping out of these apron boxes. And I used a lot of the tools, and I decided to have dimensions, so I glued some to the back, some to the front, just really filling this out. So here's one I did off camera when I was playing around with this. You can see I had an older piece of paper in the back of this. I just wanted to share that with you because this was my test run with this die set, and I wanted to create like a box of it, and I did, but it really fits You can have it open in the bottom, or you can just glue a piece of paper to the box bottom, but it doesn't come with a die to do that. I just wanted to mention that, but it was super easy to do. So I had that third project as well, just my try out project. And I have this really cute love die here, so I cut that out, and with the same mirror cardstock, and then I cut out a lot of sprigs and blooms here from the cupcake wrapper die set. I think that also is created by Lori. It's an iCraft die anyway. And I created some arrangement with it, and I just popped it on top of my boxes, and I thought it looked super cute. So that was also an idea that I had, and I decorated some of the other boxes as well with that same type of flowers. And then I had this die set. This is the Impossible Box Valentine add-on, and I just put this sweet on top of the flower arrangement there. I thought it was really cute. So these could be Valentine, but I think they are more general, like love themed boxes, and an apron you can use. And I made mine really springy and happy, but you can create in like masculine and other types of themes as well. I think it would be really nice with a grill theme on these. So that was pretty much it, and here is how all of the boxes looks when they were assembled. And you can see how that would fold nicely, and you just have to make sure that it fits inside of your envelope, so you don't stick anything up too high. And you can easily write a message on the back side of your box if you like. And you can see all the aprons comes with the holes there, so you can wrap a string around it if you like. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you got a closer look at this amazing Apron Box card. And I will have still shots over at iCrafters website, so make sure that you are stopping by there. And have a nice Friday, everyone. Bye!